Well, there may be a lot many questions lingering in your mind as an applicant for the PGDM program at NL Dalmia with regards to the selection criteria, with regards to the cutoff. Now, the selection for the PGDM program at NL Dalmia is based on the overall profile of the candidate. The evaluation is holistic and not based on test scores alone. The applicant would be evaluated based on the following criteria. First, of course, is the entrance exam score. Any one of the 7 aptitude tests is accepted. So it's either a CAT or a ZAT or a CMAT or an MHCT or a MAT or an ATMA or even a GMAT. You can upload scores for more than one if available. And then we have an online person interview score, online general discussion score, past academic record of your 10th, 12th, and graduation, and we expect that to be consistently good enough. Work experience, if any, and any extracurricular activities, either in sports or arts. Now, the details of all this is available in FAQ, which is available on our website. The PGDM admission process for this year will be conducted online. It shall be conducted in 2 phases. So you have phase 1 in March 2021 and phase 2 in May 2021. Applicants can choose to be in either or both phases. All applicants can apply to phase 1 using their CAT, ZAT, CMAT, MAT, ATMA or GMAT scores. When results of phase 1 are declared, if any applicant is in the merit list, they can confirm their admission by paying the requisite fees. All applicants in waiting list of phase 1 will be considered for final computation during phase 2 results. Applicants who appearing only for MHCET can apply in phase 2. Waiting list applicants of phase 1 who plan to appear for MHCET can reapply in phase 2. Now, while doing so, applicants only need to update their MHCET scores and there is no need to reappear for a GDPI. All candidates who reapply to phase 2 will need to pay just an additional fee of rupees 1000. So, following on the important dates, I want you all to please note when it comes to phase 1 and phase 2. So, first let me talk about phase 1, the important dates. So, for phase 1, the registration for phase 1 is already open and the last date to apply is 10th March 2021. The online selection process dates, that is the online GDPI dates, the tentative dates are 13th March to 19th March 2021 and the declaration of phase 1 results is 24th of March 2021 tentatively. In case of any delay in declaration of CMAT results, the deadlines for phase 1 will be extended and the same will be notified on the institute's website. As far as phase 2 is concerned, the registration period would start from 11th March to 30th April 2021. And the online selection process, that is online GDPI, would be tentatively from 2nd May to 11th May 2021. And the declaration of phase 2 results would be tentatively 15th May 2021.